As you take a deep breath and settle into this moment, opening up your heart to the possibilities of an incredible love story, your incredible love story. Gently closing your eyes and letting all doubt you have around love just melt away, dissolve, disappear. Continuing to breathe in and out at your own pace. Today, you'll be going on your second date with the man of your dreams. He is all the things you've wished for. He is real and on his way to you. As you look out the window, he pulls up, arriving right on time. You're unaware of his eagerness to arrive. His excitement to spend the day with you flows through him. He wants to make you laugh and feel desired. He has been looking for a girl like you and wants the day to go perfectly just as he sees you. As he gets out of the car, you notice how phenomenal he looks as he strolls up the sidewalk to your door. He is tall and strikingly handsome. You can tell he took the time to do his hair and select his outfit so that he looks his best for you. His clothes hug his muscles, and you can't help but feel a bit envious of his shirt. His pants highlight the strength of his glutes. Tingles begin to run down your spine, and you adjust your sundress, making sure it looks just right. He knocks, and when you answer, he leans down to embrace you in his arms, complimenting you on how beautiful you look today. You breathe in and notice your heart actually skips a beat with delight and anticipation. He holds you for a moment, and then as he pulls back to hand you the wildflowers he brought you, he mentions how they reminded him of your beauty. You blush as you take them and place them inside the door. And as you walk the path down to his car, he gets the door for you. And as you slide in, you notice how clean his car is, and it smells so nice. As he slips in next to you, you're aware of how safe and comfortable you feel with him. You breathe steadily, deeply. As you drive to the location, you have a wonderful conversation that flows. It feels like you've known him for lifetimes. You arrive to a spot with a gorgeous view. He opens your door, grabs the picnic basket, blanket in your hand. You feel giddy as you walk to the beautiful spot he picked out to gaze at you and be surrounded by beauty that matches your own. As he lays down the blanket, you drink him in, watching as his body flows with an effortless rhythm. He invites you to sit next to him. He takes out 2 champagne glasses and a bottle of champagne. You notice he didn't get the cheap stuff as he pours you each a glass. You take this as a sign that he's really into you. So you relax a bit more, trusting him more and more as each minute passes. He lays out strawberries and delicate sandwiches for you to enjoy together as your conversation continues to flow, getting to know you and you him. He leans in towards you as you talk. He's interested. He's listening to you. And his laugh sounds musical, full of life and delight. If he was ever wounded by love, you cannot see it in his eyes as he draws you in. Sweat begins to peek out where he has left his shirt unbuttoned, just enough skin to keep your mind drifting to naughty thoughts about him. Yet his dreamy eyes continue to bring your attention back to the present moment. You are savoring this incredible date. He thought of every detail. You take a moment to pinch yourself to make sure it's real. It is. His warmth flows into you as his hand slides into yours. And as he leans forward to kiss you, you melt as your lips connect. And the butterflies ignite so intensely, you hang on to him a bit tighter so you don't float away. You spend the rest of the day lost in each other, connecting on levels you've never reached before. This is the love you've been waiting for, that made all the heartbreaks worth it. And the way he looks at you, you can tell he feels the same. Take it in for a moment. Fill up on this love, receiving this possibility, this intensity. Let it expand within you and all around you. And when you're ready, open your eyes and return to your day. Remember that incredible love is a possibility for you. It is available to you once you remember that you're worthy of it. Have an incredible rest of your day. Thank you so much for listening. I'm Steph. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and say hi in the comments. Let me know if you'd like more recordings like this one. And before you go, say it with me. I am enough. I am beautiful. I am worthy of incredible love. I make a difference. My life is important. Very, very well. And I am sending you endless love. I'll see you next time.